Hey guys, it's almost 6 o'clock in Bali, so it's snacking time. I was driving around here and I found these things. Looks like croissant, but I'm sure they're not actually croissant. It's called Molen Aneka Rasa. I don't know what does it mean. So let's go for it. I'm fucking rich today. Probably have 10 euros here. Let's go for it. More video beginning. Okay, I got this stuff. So the guy said that they are like all sweet. I show you again. So they got vanilla, tiramisu, my gosh, chocolate, cheese, green tea, blueberry, bananas, and taro. I don't know what's that, but it looks like not really as the picture. Okay, I'm here. There is like a street food market right here. I see this spot. I'm gonna sit here. This guy is so weird. This is supposed to be a room, but it's closed, like a restaurant. It's like Anyway, I'm gonna sit there and try this croissant. Okay, I'm here. Try to open the bag and show you these things. I never tried before. They look like I don't know. Looks like a dough, like folded with some filling inside. Yeah, must be really dry. Anyway, I'm ready to try. I'm not that excited because I know already. Like I never tried before, but I mean, okay, go for it. Got the strawberry, I guess. No, it's not strawberry. Like blueberry. So this is how it looks inside. So there are many layers of dough. So it tastes like sand actually. Inside is filled with jam. Probably the people like it. You know, after the third bite, that could be good. Not bad. Okay, let's get another one. I'm not gonna eat it all because they're really sweet, and it's like it's a beer time. It's not dessert time. This is actually better. Oh. Oh. I got the tiramisu one. This one is really good though. Not bad. No, not bad. Not bad. Okay, going to try the last one. This one looks crispy. Just the dough tastes like as brisée maybe, but really dry. This is chocolate. There are many layers of dough. Maybe that's why. Really good. My mom always told me, don't talk, Federico, don't talk while you're eating. Yeah, sorry mama. Okay. That's it. Just left two. I'm gonna bring to my friend, my Indonesian friend, because they like it for sure. But it wasn't that bad, you know. The expectation was really low. I saw the place, I started laughing, said, okay, let's go for it, let's try. Not bad, not bad. So this Morena Neca Rasa, they are good. I'm not done yet. So I saw there is two interesting things. So one is sample. I don't know what's that. I really don't know. And the other is just close to these things. Sample, I don't know, it's called sample. There are fritters. Fritture. Gorengan. Let's go for it. Okay, I got papule. So this is I don't know, this one, I don't know. So check it out. That looks really good. That looks really good. Crispy. Whoa. I'm gonna order it. So I'm gonna order 10,000 of this goodness. Also, like the guys are frying over there, and they're always fresh. Go for it. One gun. Wow.
Ya, ada telurnya.
Oh ya. Halo cantik.
Halo Pak Bule, halo
Pak Bule.
Om Bule.
Om.
Om Bule. Jangan Pak.
Nama saya Fede.
Siapa?
Fred.
Freddy.
Fred.
Oh, only Fred.
Fred.
Mau dikasih saus kecap.
Biasa.
Mau pedas?
Enggak.
Oh, enggak mau.
Tidak mau. Ibu dari mana?
Surabaya, Pak.
Oh, Surabaya.
Ya, pernah ke Surabaya. Mau kecap?
Ya. Okay. Get back to my place. One. That's you. Okay. So this is the supposed to be the sample. Yeah. I don't know actually what's that. I forgot to ask to the lady. They put like ketchup and sweet soya sauce inside. As you can see, this black thing, and I guess there is like chicken and eggs, small eggs. I don't know. Let's try. That's the only way to nose. So, but actually, I can't wait to try this. So this one is called gorengan, so fritters, or in Italian is fritture. They serve these things. Yeah. Open. So the frittura supposed to eat with this little bastard right here. Okay, let's find out if it's good or not. Here we go again. I want to say just two things. The first is that I don't skip to record the rubbish and those dirtiness around, because I want to show the real Bali. How is it? How we live every day. So I think it's not fair to show you like the Instagram friendly Bali. So we live here. Bali is not a resort. This is Bali. Bali every day I'm sit like that near the street, and it's totally fine. And because I love this, I love it. Anyway, the second thing is I want to explain, even if I don't really understand. In fact, if somebody knows, especially like my Indo friends, please comment and tell me what does it mean bule, because I don't understand. Since the first time I came in Bali, they call me like bule, this bule. I never understood what does it mean. Actually, yeah, like it means bule. It means white people, foreign. But there is other meaning, because I'm still don't understand. Anyway, Debu was calling pa bule, so it means like sir foreign. I guess, you know. It's okay. At the beginning, at the beginning of my Bali experience, I get a little bit mad, you know, because I didn't understand. Now, okay, I understand, because they call us bule, or for me now, right now, it's fine. But as you see before. I always try to introduce myself. I say, hey, I'm Fred. Like they say, Fred. I say, no, Fred. Then Fred. Okay, Fred. I'm Fred. It's okay. That's so funny. For me it's fine. But yeah, as I say, I want to introduce myself. I want to know my name, and don't call me just Pule. You know. I don't feel discriminated at all. I just want they know me, you know. With my mama give me a name, so please call me with my name. If you don't know my name, ask me. I will tell you. Okay, I'm ready. We're gonna try this one first. I'm really scared, like I'm worried, because I don't know what's that. So, okay, there are something inside. Okay. Look at this. I don't want to say what looks like. But I bought, so let's try. One shot. Tastes like I don't know. Fried dough with some probably meat or like meat and flour, you know, just make dough and then fry. I don't really understand the taste. Anyways, MSG, pure MSG. Nothing really special. So I think it's It's like some eggs. I don't know. So where? Yeah, eggs. Right. It's not bad. It's not bad. But the thing is, the sauce is like the the sweet soya sauce. I just throw my toothpick in the floor, in the ground, so now it's dirty. I don't know how to eat the other thing. I was saying the taste is like the sauce that they put inside that give the taste, you know. So I'm gonna missing something. I'm gonna do like this. Just try it. This one, I don't really know what is it. It tastes like I don't know. I never tried this texture in my life. It's so weird. It tastes like a sauce, sweet soya. I got some flies in my finger. I can't recognize the texture. It's so weird. So weird. Okay, yeah. It tastes. The texture is like you know, like a crab, overcooked crab, and they fold it, and they put sweet soya inside. Like my mouth is watering, but because I'm MSG, it's not that good. Though. Like, this sample and sample, yeah, sample. I don't want to be bad, but it's not okay. Let's say like it's not my favorite. It's not my favorite. Okay, now it's time for the fritters, the fritture. Get the most crunchy one. Whoa. This is good. There are actually vermicelli noodles inside with nothing. With tofu. Okay, there is like a tofu skin, you know, and inside it's filled with the vermicelli. Super oily. Super oily. That's good. If you get some gorengan, some fries, and you eat chili, don't eat chili like this. No. Here. Here or here. Like this. That's a trick. Oof. The green chili is the spiciest one. So good. Still hot, like see, my mouth is burning. I got this one also, but I'm gonna finish all. It's too much. Okay, I guess there are vegetables. I can see some vegetable inside. They're quite crispy. Go for it. Yeah. This is how it looks like inside. Not bad. This one was good. There was a guy staring at me like, hey, what are you doing? I was just pretending to do nothing. Just a little bit. Those guys, they're really, really spicy. Really spicy. Okay, I gotta try this one. Sorry. This one's supposed to be potatoes, like sweet potatoes. Oh. Yeah, probably. If I'm wrong, comment and tell me you're wrong, Fred. You're wrong, Pabule. Good. And this is tempeh, fried tempeh. The potatoes is actually good. It's actually so good. Super crispy. I mean, they taste more or less the same because I think they put like MSG, so just standardize the flavor. But they're nice. I think I'm full. I will finish them later. Just miss like the tempeh. This thing, I don't know what inside. I'm gonna try. That's it. And these little balls with sesame on it. And this one is tofu for sure. Okay, I try this, the last one. Wow, it's banana. It's sweet. It's so bad. Not because it's bad itself, but because I just finished to eat something salty. And straight away, boom! Like the sweetie coming in my mouth. Anyway. This happens when you don't know what you're eating. So nice though. Nice. I had a lot of fun. And I'm really full. Okay, so I'm done. It's, as you can see from the light there, it's almost sunset time. Yeah, it's 6:30. Sunset time. I gotta go. And that's it. It's been like good, like some good stuff that I never tried. They were good, like simple, not really. Actually, it's not my kind of food. The fryer, yes. The fritter, sorry, yes. I like it. Also the other kind of croissant, they're not bad, but you know, I'm happy. I'm just happy. That's Bali. We are here. That's my helmet. So it's done. Please don't forget to subscribe. I really need support. Oh my god, I just noticed this tree and the resin. It's so weird. And it's like dropping. Anyway, yeah, it's getting really dark right now. I would say just subscribe and thank you so much. I can't finish this video. Okay, so see you at the next adventure, yeah? Have a good one. You.